Hello, my name is Naomi Cruz and I will be presenting on behalf of Team 4 for the Move Is On initiative with OnLink. So first off, we have the situational analysis. So for 20 years, OnLink had been in the same building, but they were facing a problem. That is that they were having a growing team, so they needed to accommodate them and support staff at the same time. They wanted to execute a successful company move and also involve the team. The research needed for this was some primary, which was to hold 2 focus groups of OnLink employees. They had 12 meetings per group and an office-wide survey. They also had insight for overall design and necessities. Secondary research was of the office layouts that were common in the gas industry. The target audience was the 300 plus OnLink employees and potential new staff. The goals and objective of the initiative was to engage with the employees for their needs. They wanted to know what it is that they wanted and what they would prefer. They also wanted to show that they would listen to the staff, and they wanted to provide a comfortable and exciting workspace that everyone felt they were able to input their own opinion in. Some key messages from this initiative was that they intended to gain trust within the staff. They wanted to incorporate their thoughts into a new space design, and they wanted to cultivate a strong working environment. The strategies for this was to keep employees engaged, excited, and informed throughout the moving process. So they developed the Move Is On theme to brand all moving related communications. They appointed move captains for each department to effectively disseminate information and coordinate moving activities. And they also developed a move day guidebook. That way, everyone knew what was going on and everyone had someone to go to if they had any questions and wanted to further get information. They also wanted to gather and incorporate employee feedback into the design and layout of the new offices, so they distributed a company-wide survey. They conducted focus groups on office design preferences, and they incorporated research on the benefits of open office concepts into internal communications. So the tactics that were developed within the theme to regularly update employees with move-related news and opportunities were the 7 newsletters, 3 videos, 17 updates on the office-wide TV system, employee events, and other visuals. So the evaluation of the initiative was that they had more than 60 different message points, an average open rate of all material of 67.7%. The tours and office mock-ups were attended by nearly 80% of Dallas employees. 97% of employees completed the office-wide survey. All communication goals were met, and OnLink can feel the intangible benefits of a re-energized and excited workforce. This comes to show that they were able to get a lot of engagement by having them interact with the new move. So in our opinion, we think that OnLink truly listened to their staff. They postponed a ritual move to make sure staff would stay enthusiastic about the move, and they incorporated the thoughts into the new office space throughout. OnLink's strategy proved to be in the best interest of current and future staff. This is great because they were able to maintain a good internal communication, and they were also able to make the employees feel as if they were counted in the move and that they had them in mind. And that is the end of our presentation. Thank you.